Start na guys.
Hi, good morning. Waiting for tonight. Coffee, enjoy, pak, laban lang. So ganyan ang atake for today's video, guys. Brother, where are you? Brother, where is the spoon?
Tawagin mo first.
Brother,
Bese, ano yan? Ano yan?
this is what you call shala parata. Yes, brother, take care. Bye. Spoon.
And this is?
And this is what you call the omelette, which is, they call it Gucci. Gucci,
Bese, bagay mo pala yung ano.
Tapos yan, they give some extra bread. This is the brand, BBC.
Promote mo sa BBC.
So, if there's an extra, you can put in your bag, like that. Okay? Thank you so much. So, it's very fast. Service is very good. BBC, try first, will be trust. So, din 2 spoon. Walang ano-ano dito. So, thank you for today's video. Bye. Sarap. Then, simple as this. Sarap.
Yung coffee base. Ano yung coffee base?
And the coffee like this. So let's check. Ay, perfect. Look at that. Very fresh. Fresh milk? Yes? Take care. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Bye-bye.